Namaskar, I'm Gogi from How to Do It. Today we are going to letting you know something about WD hard drives, that how you can easily know that when the warranty of that hard drive is going to be expired. You are listening very right. Mainly in a hard drive or hard disks, most of companies give us 2 or 3 years warranty, maximum 3 years warranty, and in many scenarios they give you 4 or 5 years. But the general is 3 years warranty. I mean replacement warranty, not repairable warranty. They replace your hard drive or hard disk between the 3 years of the damage. But keep in mind that they never gonna give you the data back because there is no option for that. But how to know that when the your hard drive's warranty is going to be expired? Yes, you are listening very right. Today we are going to letting you know how to know that WD hard drive expiry date of warranty period. Watch the video till the end and learn how to do so. First of all, you have to just go to your internet browser, and over there you have to just type wd.com. As you can see in front of you, that is the wd.com. And when you visit to that website, it will show something like this. And from there you have to just go to this support button over here, and you have to just click on this WD option, or you can directly go to this support dash en.wd.com. That's the way. Now what we have to do, we have to just go to this right side section over here, and then we have to just click on this warranty status. When we click on this warranty status, we will show up something like this, and it's showing over here something like this. Details you can check out from over here. But now what we have to do, we have to just choose that what type of hard disk or thing we have. Now in my case, that is not, this not SSD, this is WD Western Digital. Okay, where is this HDD? Okay, other WD product, and from which country that is, you have to choose that. I'm from India, then you can see that I have to choose that. And after that we have to just enter over here our serial key of that hard disk that you will find in the upper side of that hard disk. Or if you want to know about this, you can easily check out the video in the I button and description, that how you can know if your hard disk into your laptop or computer and giving some type of errors. Just enter over here the serial number of that product. I'm going to just type it over here. Okay, and my warranty is about to due in June, so check it out over here. And then we have to just click on this I'm not a robot, and then we have to just click on this submit button. If you want to check out and take action on that, you can easily do so without any hesitation. If you want to get replaced your hard disk, then please check out the video from I button and description. Now as you can see in front of you, that is showing that this is the serial number of your product, and then your it is showing status about here, then it's in a limited warranty, and this is the model number, and this is my passport ultra 2 TB thin orange worldwide, and over here it's showing that how much warranty is spare into your account right now. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning how to do it.